model, 65-plate Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic Sportive 1.6 Cdti starts drives needs turbo repair No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 105,189. MOT, the 13th of March 2026. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE 5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing, straightforward. Turbo replacement job, nice clean, low mileage Vivaro absolute bargain for somebody grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is in decent, average condition.